We now got our first look at the probable design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it looks like Samsung has made some intriguing decisions this time around. And if you've been following my S25 Ultra updates, you'll have seen that Samsung is altering the design this time. The S25 Ultra, in particular, will have rounder edges. The S25 Ultra retains the iconic boxy Galaxy Note feel while addressing the S24 Ultra's sharp edges. Surprisingly, it looks more like the ordinary Galaxy Note 20 from 4 years ago than the rumored Note 7, although with thinner and more equal bezels. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra, with the S25 Ultra having narrower bezels and a slimmer frame. Apple's next iPhone 16 Pro Max is projected to have the smallest bezels ever seen on a smartphone. However, in this comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the S25 Ultra, you can see that the S25 Ultra has somewhat narrower bezels than the iPhone. So, it looks like the S25 Ultra will finally take the distinction for the slimmest smartphone bezels available. Of course, this is just a render, not an official one. However, Ice Universe is quite accurate in terms of Samsung leaks. He also created a rendering of the S24 Ultra before to its official release, which was quite realistic. Overall, I'm happy with the S25 Ultra's design. I'm a huge lover of boxy phone designs, so I'm glad the S25 Ultra stays true to the famous Galaxy Note style. Furthermore, it looks like Samsung is expanding the display size of the S25 Ultra to 6.9 inches, which is significant given that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have the same screen size this year. Moving on, the S25 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to have a pretty intriguing feature known as GPU interpolation technology. In layman's terms, the AI will assist make your games seem better by refining their visuals. If the graphics in a game aren't as clear as you'd like, the AI takes over and enhances them by adding features it believes should be there. It's basically an AI upscaling for games. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.